In a bustling town filled with magic and wonder, lived a young boy named Draco Malfoy. Draco was known for his golden hair and a quirky smile, but he was often misunderstood because of his family's reputation. One day, while exploring the town, Draco stumbled upon a hidden magical shop. The shop was closed, but the window displayed an enchanting crystal ball that caught his eye. He peered through the window, his eyes widening with curiosity. "This must be the shop I've heard whispers about," he thought. Determined to get a closer look, he decided to return the next day. Arriving at the shop the next morning, Draco was greeted by an old man with a long, wispy beard. "Good morning, young man," the old man said, noticing Draco's interest in the crystal ball. "May I help you?" Draco hesitated, but his curiosity overcame his shyness. "Sir, may I please touch the crystal ball?" he asked, his eyes shining with excitement. The old man chuckled and nodded. "Of course, but be careful. This crystal ball holds magical powers beyond your imagination." Draco gently picked up the crystal ball, feeling a tingling sensation in his hands. Suddenly, the crystal ball began to glow, and Draco found himself transported to a mysterious forest. He wandered through the forest, discovering magical creatures and learning about friendship, understanding, and the power of kindness. Draco realized that he had been misunderstood because of his family's reputation, and he made a decision to change. When he returned to the magical shop, the old man noticed the change in Draco. "You've changed, my boy," he said. "You've learned something valuable on your journey." Draco nodded, smiling. "I have, sir. I've learned that people are not always what they seem, and that everyone deserves a chance to be understood." The old man smiled back, proud of the young boy who had grown wiser on his magical journey. From that day on, Draco Malfoy was no longer just the boy with the golden hair and quirky smile. He was the boy who had learned the true power of kindness.